So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in %temp% and then click on enter. And now this will come up. It contains your temporary files. We're going to delete everything in this folder. So you want to do Control A and then click on delete. And if you get this, you want to click on do this for current items and then click on skip, which should now delete most files in this folder. And now for the next step, we're going to head over to search again and type in run. Click on it. Now we're going to type in temp. So last time we searched for %temp%. This time we're only going to search for temp. So temp only. And then click on enter. And now this will come up. Do the same thing. Control A and then delete. If you get this again, you want to tick the box, do this for current items, and then click on skip. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in virus and threat protection. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on scan options. And now you want to click on full scan. And then click on scan now. You want to run this full scan. This will take a while. So just run this whole scan. And now once you run that scan, we're going to come back to here. You want to scroll down. And this time you want to go with Microsoft Defender offline scan. And then click on scan now. Just so you know, this will restart your PC, so make sure that you save all your work before continuing. Now you want to click on scan. And then click on yes, which is now going to sign you out of Windows. And it's now going to run the Microsoft Defender offline scan for you. And then once you complete that scan, it will take you back into Windows and then the virus should be removed.